Present tense in Igbo language is ugbua. Ugbua. Present tense ugbua. Present ugbua. Ugbua. Present ugbua. Past tense gara aga. Gara aga. Gara aga. Gara aga. Future tense ọdịnihu. Future tense ọdịnihu. We're going to be taking this one after the other. We're going to take the present tense first. We're going to take the past tense second. I'm going to take the future tense last one. But before we dive into the video, I want to identify something. Yesterday in Igbo language is ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Today, tata. Today, tata. Today, tata. Last year, afọ gara aga. 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 Next year, afọ ọzọ. Next year, afọ ọzọ. Next year, afọ ọzọ. Last 2 years, afọ abụọ gara aga. Last 2 years, afọ abụọ gara aga. Even if it's last 10 years, afọ iri gara aga. If you want to learn 1 to 10, 10 to 100, it's down in my channel as well. Okay? So now you have known this today, tomorrow, yesterday, last year, last 2 years, next year. Now we're going to go into today's video. I said the other one because it has link with today, yesterday, tomorrow. It's like present, past, future tense. Do you understand? So I want to identify what these phrases, words are first before we dive into today's video. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe. And if you have OG, thank you for watching my video. You have a very special place in my heart. Please guys, when you like my video, it helps YouTube to recommend it to a wider range of people. Please subscribe so that people can join this community, because if you want to learn Igbo language, this is the best place for you, because I drop video every blessed day. Go to my channel, feel free. If you stay on this channel for 1 hour seeing different videos, trust me, you'll be very good at Igbo language, which is the reason why you're here. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Guys, present tense in Igbo language is very simple. In present tense, you say obi na eriji. In past tense, obi eriji. You see that na? That na makes it a present tense. But in past tense, we have removed that na. It's no longer there. So the next sentence here is Hana esinri. Present tense. Hasiri nri. Past tense. They are making food. They have made food. They are making food. They are cooking food, and they have cooked food. Another one here is present tense. Ega aga ahia. Ega aga ahia. Ega aga ahia. Past tense. Ha gara ahia. Ha gara ahia. They went to market. Present tense. Ega aga ahia. Are you going to the market? Ada na agba egwu. Ada na agba egwu. Present tense. Ada is dancing. Past tense. Ada gbara egwu. Ada gbara egwu. Ada danced. Ada danced. Ada gbara egwu. Yes. Of course, you know what you use in knowing past tense in English. Ed. Ada danced. Anyị na-ege ntị. Anyị na-ege ntị. We are listening. Anyị na-ege ntị. We are listening. Present tense. Anyị gere ntị. We listened. Past tense. We listened. Past tense. Anyị gere ntị. Anyị na-ege ntị. Present tense. We are listening. Anyị gere ntị. We listened. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. They are dancing. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. They are dancing. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Past tense. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyela nnu na ite. Past tense. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Past tense. You understand? If you check the similarities, if you capture one thing that identifies is present, it's mostly na in the sentence that identifies it as what is happening presently. And when in past tense, we remove that na. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. We washed clothes. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. They washed clothes. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. They washed clothes. So that is basically what it means. Okay? And now we have simply deduced the present tense in Igbo language and the past tense in Igbo language. Now we're going to the future tense. Of course, I'm going to use likely sentences that I used in present, the past, so that you'll be able to relate or differentiate or know the similarities and the differences in it. That is why I'm not going to use sentences that are far from what we're really using as an example. And future tense is ordinary. What you're still going to do. It can be tomorrow you're going to do it. It can be next tomorrow. That is why we've said ordinary. Ihu is front in Igbo. Ordinary, future tense. And of course, the examples as follows as well. Remember, when we said present tense, we said obi na eriji. And in the past tense, we said obi eriji. And now, the future tense, we're going to say obi ga eriji. Obi has not eaten yam. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi is going to eat yam tomorrow. It can be next tomorrow. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi ga eriji. Obi ga eriji. Yes. Ada ga agba egwu. Ada is going to dance. Remember in the present tense I said Ada na agba egwu. Ada is dancing. And in the past tense I said Ada gbara egwu. Ada has danced. But now in the future tense, which is ordinary, we say Ada ga agba egwu. Ada is going to dance. We don't know when Ada will dance. Maybe Ada will dance next tomorrow, or even next, future 5 hours time, Ada will dance. And next one is ị ga-aga ahịa echi. Ị ga-aga ahịa echi. Are you going to the market tomorrow? Are you going to the market tomorrow? Ị ga-aga ahịa echi. If you check the present tense and the past tense, you see where I use this particular sentence in making examples, so you know the differences, okay? And of course, another one is unu aga-agba egwu. Unu aga-agba egwu. Unu aga-agba egwu. Are you going to dance? Are you guys going to dance? Another one is ha ga-esi nri. Ha ga-esi nri. They are going to cook. We don't know when they're going to cook. I don't know if it's tomorrow or next tomorrow, or if we know is that they are going to cook, definitely. Anyị ga-ege ntị. We are going to listen. Tell us the story. We are going to listen. Anyị ga-ege ntị. We are going to listen. When you definitely tell the story, or when you're about to start the class. You have not started. It's future. Anyị ga-ege ntị. It could be tomorrow. It can be next tomorrow. It can be next month. But what we know is that we are going to listen. Anyị ga-ege ntị. And the last here is anyị ga-egwu egwu. We are going to play. We have not started playing. We are going to play. We are planning to go play. That is why it's future. Or the new, what you are still trying to do, what you're intending to do, you have not done it yet. Anyị ga-egwu egwu. Anyị ga-egwu egwu. Thank you guys for watching. In my next video, I'm going to bring in negative commands in Igbo language. Expecting that video, okay? Negative commands. I've already put down the topic here. I'm going to bring up the video by next week. negative command in Igbo language. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please support to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. We give this video a like, guys. It helps YouTube to, of course, to show it to a wide range of people. Put a comment down in the comment section. Share this video as well so people can see that this channel will ever on this channel I teach Igbo on a daily basis. So if you want to learn Igbo language, I don't know the best place for you to learn this Igbo language if it's not here, because I shoot video every day. Who is doing it? Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.